Hi, and welcome to the Umajin Advanced Loyalty Card tutorial. Advanced loyalty cards are a really great component because they allow users to add stamps to their loyalty card by scanning a QR code. The great thing about the Advanced Loyalty Card is that you have complete control over graphics for each of your stamps. So to start, we're going to go to our Components selector, choose the Commerce tab, and select our Advanced Loyalty Program. Now see, we get some default graphics here, but we can go ahead and change these. So to start, I'm going to just change my default image, and I'm just going to go find my loyalty card folder, and we're going to change this as my default stamp item. I'm also going to change my default stamped image to be my stamped image. But you'll currently see that my loyalty program items, I could put numbers on these. So I'm going to make my default image number 1 for the first item, number 2 for the second item, number 3 for the third item, and number 4 for the fourth item, and number 5 for the fifth item. Now you'll see that I need to add an extra item to my loyalty card. So to do this, I need to go to my component and then press the plus button. This automatically adds an item, and I want to make this our redeemable one. So I'm going to click this. I'm going to change my default image to be my $20 off, as that's the reward for this card. And then I'm going to set my redeemable image, which is going to be my $20 off down, and my redeem image, which is going to be the same. So now I've done this, you can see that it's all looking a little bit too small. So I'm going to go back to my loyalty program, and I'm just going to increase the scale just a little bit. So now those are looking pretty good. I'm going to go and edit my stamp button. I'm going to select this and then drop it down a bit and just increase the height a little bit. I'm also going to set my properties to be millimeters, from millimeters to percentages, and I'm going to change my default graphics. I'm going to use my background image for the default state and my down image for the down state. I can also edit my text style properties. So I'm just going to reduce the text and then change my font for it. I'm going to make that Open Sans. And now you can see that it's a bit unreadable, so I'll just increase the font size. So now I've got my loyalty card all set up. I need to go into my CMS and add a store. So I need to go to my triple bar menu, select Project CMS, and this will take me to my CMS. I need to go to my Commerce tab, choose Store List, and then I'm just going to delete that store that's here so I can set up a new one for you. I'm going to press the plus button and make a store called Umajin, and then I'm going to save this down the bottom. Now you'll see that there's a loyalty codes option, so I'm just going to add one of these now. I'm going to make the number of tokens 1 so that each time a user scans the loyalty card it shows up with 1 token. And I'm going to make my expiry date the 11th of the 1st of 2015. Now I'm going to save this, and then when I go back to my store list, you'll see that I've got my Umajin store, and when I edit this, you'll see that I've got a loyalty code, and then when I edit this, you'll see my loyalty card QR code. So I'm going to go back into the editor now, and to test out my loyalty card, I'm going to go scroll down to the bottom, and I'm going to find my Test Add Stamp button. Now when you press this, you'll see the stamped image coming over top, and then when I've added it, you'll see that my image changes for my final one. So thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed it.